Hey YouTube, it's been a while. Happy New Year. We finally made it out of 2020. Hopefully this pandemic's gonna stop soon, but who knows. Glad you made it. Sorry, it's been a while. I've been busy with work, and my printer's broken. It broke about a week ago, and the issue is the Heatbed. So Prusa sent me a replacement thermistor because I've been receiving a MINTEMP error. So my Heatbed hasn't been able to get up to the target temperature that I want for my prints. I've been printing with wood filament by Sunlu, and it's pretty good. It's been a bit challenging with clogs because of the type of material it is, but yeah, the bed's out of commission right now, so I can't print anything. So this video I'm going to be doing a little speed run. Hopefully I get it right this time. Last thing is my computer. I've upgraded from a mini ITX to a micro ITX. I believe I have that right. No form factors. Upgraded the RAM. I got a new monitor, and so far, oh, and storage. I have more storage on this computer, so hopefully my videos will move forward without any issues, storage issues, which what I have with my small form factor. I have 2 dual screens running right now in my office, and hopefully I can put up some TV shows while I work, a little bit of upgrades, and I'll just go watch TV, watch my shows and whatnot. My project that I've been working on for a while since I got the printer is the, what's up here? Center is the, that way, is the hidden block wall shelf. So this is from a guy named Lewis from DIY Machines, and so far so good. It's working. The electrical's good. So far, I just have to print out the sleeves that go over top of the supports to create the shelving, and once I get the printer up and running, get that finished. And I'll make another video on that. Shout out to DIY mechanics, or machines, sorry, for that project. It's been long. Probably only ever going to make one of these. It's very time consuming, the parts, and it costs quite a bit to print everything. So without further ado, I will continue on to this video, getting my printer up and running, get done what I need done, and stay tuned, and I'll be back.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Take it in real life like haiku. I know
Alright, and there you have it. Very easy. Didn't have a torque screwdriver, but I only have bits, so I don't use a handgun or a hand drill. Don't do it unless you have the chuck set all the way to 1 and below 1, so you don't have a torque. Then you won't strip your screws on the bed. The old thermistor, had a look at it. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it, so I'll save it just in case it's not the problem. And then I'll have to contact Prusa furthermore, but they're pretty certain this was the issue. So it's printing right now, just doing a simple tree frog because previously my print would start the first layer and then just cut out. So try to finish a tree frog and see if we can do a complete print, and then I'm back in business. Anyway, I think that's all I have for you right now, and I'm trying to get more videos out. So please subscribe, like my videos. Hoping you'll stay tuned. I'll be there. I'll be back. Alright? Peace out. Good night.